Hey, let me show you how easily we can pair your Redmi Buds 5 to any Android smartphone. So first of all, just be sure that both earbuds are inside the charging case and also that you remove this foil that was right here. So you will be able to charge your earbuds, right? And next, what we have to do, as you can see in my case, I already got this pairing request because they actually have this fast pairing. But if for some reason it doesn't work for you, you will have to actually locate the side button. It is actually just right here. Let me just catch focus. It's right here. So we'll have to click and hold the side button and wait until this indicator starts blinking like this. So now it means that this device is in the pairing mode. And when you go into the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, like in my case, and simply refresh the list, you can actually find the Redmi Buds 5 on the list. So you'll be able to click on them once, accept the pairing, and now we are successfully connected. Also on this Buds, you can get the Xiaomi application. So open the Google Play Store, then click on the search, and you will actually have to find the Xiaomi earbuds application. So input this phrase into the search, and now get this application with this black icon, Xiaomi earbuds from the official Xiaomi developer. So now just click install, and after a few seconds we'll get it on the phone. So click to open. From here, if you have any popping notification, just accept all of them. Click agree. From here you'll have to select your region. In my case I'm in Poland, so I'm gonna stay with this one. Click next. From here we can also update firmware, but I'm gonna skip this step. Accept permissions. And when you previously connect them by the Bluetooth settings, like in my case, you will already find them in this application. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.